I've got 10 essential steps to guide you on this entrepreneurial journey. If you're ready to turn your passion into profit, let's dive in. Step 1. Identify your passion. The foundation of any successful business is passion. Identify what you love to do and consider how you can turn that passion into a profitable venture. Step 2. Market research. Before diving in, conduct thorough market research. Understand your target audience, competitors, and the demand for your product or service. This knowledge will be crucial for your business's success. Step 3. Create a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is your roadmap to success. Outline your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. This plan will help you stay focused and attract potential investors. Step 4. Manage your finances. Starting a business requires financial discipline. Set a budget, allocate resources wisely, and be mindful of your spending. Your salary can be a valuable resource for funding your venture. Step 5. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential. Create a professional website, leverage social media, and use digital marketing strategies to reach a wider audience. Step 6. Start small and scale gradually. Don't feel pressured to go big from the start. Begin with a manageable scale. Test your business model and gradually scale up as you gain confidence and experience. Step 7. Time management. Balancing a full-time job and a business requires effective time management. Prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and allocate dedicated time each day to work on your business. Step 8. Build a support network. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, and fellow entrepreneurs. Seek advice, share experiences, and learn from others who have walked a similar path. Step 9. Invest in continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends, marketing strategies, and business management techniques. Continuous learning will keep you ahead of the curve and ensure the growth of your business. Step 10. Plan your transition. As your business grows, plan your transition from full-time employment to focusing solely on your venture. Set milestones, monitor your business's success, and make the move when the time is right. There you have it, 10 steps to kickstart your journey to a profitable business while maintaining your salary. Remember, it's a journey filled with challenges and rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights.